I think in the sheriff's office and I think nationally, the biggest challenge is everyone is struggling with recruitment and retention. That's one of the biggest hurdles that we have. I have all these great ideas to do more engagement and more programs in our correctional facilities and more programs in our communities. But if I don't have the people to help me execute those programs, then I can't do the programs. So when I came into office, we were 100 deputies down. Currently, we're 96, and that's not just we're hiring a lot of people, but it's due to attrition that wasn't really accounted for in previous years, and there wasn't a big push for recruitment in the prior administration. So for me, we're doing a lot. We're going to military bases. We are working more closely with the Marine Corps. We are going into high schools. We're going out, any community event that we could be at. We have our transportation and our patrol vehicles wrapped with, that we're hiring. Yeah, so I found myself on Christmas Eve not being with my family, but working inside of the jail. I took all my stuff off. I still have my deputy badge. And I went in as a deputy sheriff, and I worked in the jail. And I've done it a few more times since then because we've been so short. And I can't ask the people that work in this organization to do things that I wouldn't do myself. So for me, people, there's some sadness that goes around that. I recently had someone that I started with who's younger than I was when we started tell me that he has to pull an early retirement because he went to the doctor and he has been struggling for a while, but the doctor told him that if you don't bring your stress levels down, you're gonna die. And he's fairly young still. And it hurt me because he has so much to give, but his family comes first, and his well-being comes first. So I understand that because we're asking a lot of our people. So recruitment is very difficult. Yeah, it could, absolutely. So we haven't reached that point yet. We've been able to staff our patrol, the areas that we patrol, okay. But if we keep losing people and we're not able to bring people in, then it will impact our communities and the way that we're able to safeguard the residents of this county. So we're not there yet. It's really been an impact on the whole organization as a whole, and we've done a good job at filling the holes here and there. But if we start losing more people, then it will get to those levels.